welcome to Let's Talk English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel.
I'm David.
And I'm Alice.
Today, we have a very helpful topic.
Yes, a very important topic.
We will talk about how to improve your English speaking.
Yes, how to speak English better, every day, step by step.
And don't worry, we will use simple English,
Very simple, slow, and clear.
so you can relax and learn.
Maybe you are cooking, or driving, or just resting.
That's okay. Just listen and enjoy.
And before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us.
And it helps you learn more English.
Okay, let's begin.
David, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Many learners say, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
Ah, yes, that is very common.
Why is that?
Good question. It's because listening is passive, but speaking is active.
Passive, active.
Yes, when you listen, you just receive.
But when you speak, you must think and create.
Exactly.
So, speaking is harder?
Yes, at first.
I see.
But don't worry, you can improve.
Really?
Yes, with simple daily practice.
Simple daily practice.
Yes, let's repeat that together. Simple daily practice.
Okay, David. What is the first tip?
The first tip is very simple.
Tell me.
Speak every day.
Every day?
Yes, every single day.
But what if I don't have a partner?
That's okay.
Really?
Yes, you can speak alone.
Speak alone.
Yes, talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Like, hello, Alice?
Yes, exactly like that.
That sounds funny.
It is funny, but it works.
Okay.
For example, in the morning,
Yes?
you can say, "Good morning. I wake up at 7."
Oh, simple sentences.
Yes, very simple.
So I just describe my day?
Exactly.
I brush my teeth. I drink coffee.
Perfect.
I am very sleepy.
Yes, very real.
David, sometimes I want to speak, but I feel confused.
Why?
I try to make long sentences and I get stuck.
Ah, that's the problem.
What should I do?
Use short sentences.
Short sentences.
Yes, keep it simple.
Can you give an example?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't say, "Yesterday, I went to a restaurant with my friends and we had a wonderful dinner."
Wow, that is long.
Instead, say, "Yesterday, I went to a restaurant. I went with my friends. We ate dinner. It was good."
Oh, that is much easier.
Yes, short, simple, clear.
Let's repeat. Short, simple, clear. David, I hear many teachers say, repeat.
Yes, repetition is very important
Why?
because your brain learns with repetition. When you repeat, you remember better.
So I should repeat sentences?
Yes, repeat after videos, after teachers, after us.
Oh, like now?
Yes, let's try.
Okay.
Say, "I want to improve my English."
I want to improve my English.
Again, slowly.
I want to improve my English.
Very good.
That feels nice.
Yes, practice makes progress.
Not perfect, but progress.
Exactly.
David, I have another problem.
Tell me.
I always think in my language, then translate.
Ah, yes, that is very common.
It is slow.
Yes, it makes speaking slow.
So what should I do?
Try to think in English.
That sounds hard.
Start small.
Small?
Yes, very small.
Like what?
Think simple thoughts.
Example?
I am hungry.
Oh,
I like this.
okay.
This is easy.
I can do that.
Good. Start with simple ideas.
Then slowly more?
Yes, step by step.
David, can we practice real-life situations?
Of course.
Okay, let's try a situation.
Great idea.
Situation: ordering food.
Perfect.
I am the customer.
And I am the waiter.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. What would you like?
I would like rice and chicken.
Anything to drink?
Yes. Water, please.
Okay. Thank you.
That was easy.
Yes, very simple.
Short sentences again.
Always helpful.
David, how can learners practice alone more?
Good question.
Thank you.
Yes, ask yourself questions.
Ask myself?
Yes.
Like what?
For example, what did I do today?
Oh,
Then answer, I worked. I studied. I watched TV.
that's nice.
Another question, what do I like?
I like coffee. I like music.
Perfect.
So I ask and answer.
Yes, it's like a conversation with yourself.
I have many conversations with myself.
That's great for English.
David, many learners feel shy.
Yes, very shy.
They're afraid of mistakes,
That is normal.
but it stops them.
Yes, and that is the problem.
So what should they do?
Make mistakes.
Really?
Yes, make mistakes and learn. Mistakes are okay.
Let's repeat that.
Mistakes are okay. Say it again. Mistakes are okay.
That feels good.
Yes, be brave.
David, can we talk about daily habits?
Yes, very important.
What habits help speaking?
Use English every day.
How?
Watch simple videos.
Okay.
Listen to English.
Yes.
Speak a little every day.
Even 5 minutes?
Yes, even 5 minutes.
That is easy.
Small steps, big results.
I like that. David, can learning be fun?
Of course.
How?
Talk about things you like.
Oh,
For example, food.
I love food.
Me too.
Okay, I try. I like noodles. They are delicious.
Very good.
I eat noodles every week.
Nice.
This is fun.
Yes, learning should be fun. Okay, let's practice together.
Yes.
Repeat after me. I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
Again, slowly.
I speak English every day.
Good.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Again.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Excellent.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, you.
Answer these questions.
Take your time.
What did you do today? Today, we learned many things.
Yes, let's review.
Speak every day.
Use simple sentences.
Repeat, repeat, repeat.
Think in English.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
And have fun.
Learning English can be easy.
And enjoyable.
We are here with you.
Step by step.
Before we go,
Tell us in the comments.
What do you like to talk about in English?
Food, friends, work?
We want to know.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.